Hey friend, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather and this is Create Your Own Cozy. I don't know about you, but I have needed to take a deep breath this season. Listen, the holidays mean so many things to so many people, but for some, it can be a little challenging. I have realized that I get into a funk every year around Thanksgiving to Christmas. Now I'm realizing it's due to some childhood sexual trauma by an extended family member, and I was forced to be around them this time of year. And as I'm trying to work through some of that and create wonderful memories with my family, I'm realizing I need to give myself some grace, allowing myself to take a deep breath and just care for me. I wanted to hop on this week and just share some things from my heart. I haven't done this in a while, and if you've been watching me for a while, you know I have a cyclical rhythm and usually get in a funk this time of year. And I feel like funks are ways to alert you to things that are uncomfortable, things that need to change, things that you need to grow. And while I am thankful for them, I am learning to lean into them and take care of myself. I'm reflecting about this channel and my business this year. And in January, it'll be the 5-year anniversary of this YouTube channel, which is amazing. It has been such a great platform for my creativity to be used, to feel like I have a purpose. While I started this channel because I got lost in motherhood, it has become so much more. It has evolved into a business, and originally this channel was meant for an outlet for me because I am in the caretaking part of my life with my 11, 14, and 16-year-old girls right now. My business was supposed to be to take care of me, and it has kind of turned into something now I need to manage. So I'm having to find a way to let go a little bit of these and care for myself. And I don't know who needs to hear that in whatever season that you're in right now. But if you don't stop and take care of yourself, then man, it is burnout and it is not good for anybody. So I just wanted to encourage you, if you need to reevaluate where you're spending your time, where you're putting your hustle to, it's not a bad thing. It's something that can help you grow. And man, your business and your family, or whatever your caretaking role is going to thrive when you take care of yourself. And I'm saying this for me as well. So I just wanted to hop on here and just let you know the gratitude that I have for the people that have stuck with me through the years of me maybe not believing in myself like I should. I remember some of my first videos in the year, I was like, oh my gosh, I wonder if I'll ever have a booth. And fast forward, I now have 3 booths, a website, a YouTube channel with a community that is so supportive. And this last year, I have been coming alongside some women and doing small business coaching, and it has been complete food for my soul. But that being said, that business community is meant to hone in on small business and the nitty-gritty of that. We're realizing as we're talking about the business that it is so much more when you're in this type of world, a creative business. So much your business has to do with the business owner, with the creator that is in what they are going through. So I'm realizing that maybe it's time to spread out and have something that's more community minded. So if you have been on any of my socials, you'll see that I have announced that Kristen from Simply Joy by Kristen and I are launching Cozy and Joy community group with the side of business. That is set to start in January. I will have a link below for a Google form to apply and make sure that you are a good fit for this group. It is not meant for the people who want to hustle and completely grow their business. It is meant for people who are missing community, who are missing like-minded women, who are in this creative space, who struggle with the emotional, spiritual, self-worth, all of the things that can envelop the creator while they are putting their art out there for the world to judge, purchase, enjoy. I mean, all of those things. So if that is something you are interested in, we are trying to, there is a limited capacity so that everybody can be seen, but it is meant for the people that don't have a community in their space, or a family that understands the need to upcycle things, the desire to go on the hunt for those things that are forgotten and then redeem them. There's so much spiritual work that can be done by doing some of these things, and so much therapy that can be done by doing these things, and not all the time do your people appreciate that. So the hope is to get women together who can support each other, encourage each other, nudge each other, and just have a place to check in and go through life together with the commonality that we are all created to be creators, and in some capacity that you just have to create. That is the commonality that we want to have in this community group. So I would love it if you would consider, if that is something that just speaks to you, then this group is meant for you. Like Kristen and I have been dreaming of this for probably over a year at this point, and we're so excited to see who is going to make up this group, who we get to know on a deeper basis. Sometimes I feel like I'm putting myself out there and I get to see your names and your face, kind of your faces. But man, I want to get on a Zoom call once a week. It's on Tuesday nights at 7 p.m. Eastern, starting in January, where we get on a Zoom call, we see each other's faces, we hear each other's stories, and we celebrate wins. We go through hard times together, but we get to celebrate the growth that we have together, and it is so life-giving. If that is something that you are interested in, again, please click the Google form below, fill out the questionnaire so that we can make sure that you are a good fit for it. And there'll be a private Facebook group so you can connect with everybody on a regular basis, and that's where all the Zoom information will be. Guys, I don't know. I'm filled with gratitude for you guys. You can get so caught up in the numbers and the growth, and is this financially beneficial? But when I get to meet you guys on a one-on-one basis and hear your stories and hear how there's a commonality, there's a reason that we are drawn to each other. I am drawn to you as well, and I want to get to know y'all as well. So, wow. I'm just speaking from the heart. I'm thankful for you guys. I'm thankful for your support. Everyone, I'm telling you, when you guys send in orders on my website, I feel honored that that you're trusting me. I know that there are bigger outfits out there that maybe could give you better deals, have more quantity, but the fact that you want to support my small business, it's humbling. And I'm absolutely thankful every time I get an order for the ones that, you know, want to support my small business. And by the way, if you're not ordering, the fact that you are watching my channel, interacting, and wanting to check in with me, it's just amazing. It's amazing. So I know this video was a little bit different. I do plan in the new year on bringing you, I need things to change, right? I need something to change about my channel and kind of go where I want it to go. So if you trust me and if you trust the process, I'm going to try to trust myself and trust my gut. Is it about like working through some of the clutter? Is it about some small businesses and learning to say no to things or closing things down? Like, these are all things I want to think about next year so that I can put my time and energy into the stuff that I want to nurture the stuff that is doing well and maybe drop some of the stuff that maybe I put on my plate to try to keep up with somebody else, or I put on my plate because I thought I should, but my heart is not in it. That is something that I want to evaluate. So if you are up for coming on that journey with me, please make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell to also get notified every time I upload a new video. I am so thankful for y'all. You don't even know. I am thankful for you guys. I'm honored that me putting myself out there has translated into a community, and can't wait to see what's next. So on that note, I hope that you guys had an amazing Thanksgiving. I hope that you are getting ready for Christmas and the holiday season, the good and bad of family, and being able to embrace the friends that you have made family, and just take care of yourself. So I love you. I'm thankful for you, and I will see you guys in the next video.
If you guys are new here, welcome to Create Your Own Cozy. I would love it if you hit subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and let me know you are here.
Now, normally this dog wants everything to do with me, but the fact that I have this set up in this room, he thinks I'm trying to play. But I know you guys love your Henry fix, so I'm bribing him. I'm bribing him for some video time, but don't worry, he's getting paid in his favorite payment treats. Hey, Henry. Did you come back now? No. Come here.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check me out over at createyourowncozy.com.